Good morning, friends. I'm so glad to be with you this morning for another math lesson. You've been learning about tens and ones. We know how to put objects in our 10 frame so that we can count up to 10. Let's count up to 10 today by pointing to our number line. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job pointing to your number line and counting to 10. Now let's use our fingers to count to 10. 2 fists, please. Great job. Let's start with this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends. Thank you for helping me. I want to show you my blocks today. I have 1 blocks. These are just single blocks that mean 1. There is 1 cube in my hand right now, or 1 block. I'm going to put 10 of them in my 10 frame. Can you help me by counting with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 blocks on my 10 frame. Every square on my 10 frame is full, has a block in it. Every 10 square on my 10 frame is full. So that is 10 blocks. But this long stick of blocks is also 10 blocks. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is also 10. We're going to look at some number cards, and we're going to make that many groups in our 10 frame. Are you ready to make the number on our number cards and put that many in our 10 frame? I think you are. Remember, this is 10. So I'm going to take off my cubes so we can look at number cards and we can decide how many cubes we need to put in our 10 frame. All right, my friends, let's remember that this is 10. I have 1 10 on this side of my board. Now let's see how many ones we need to put in our 10 frame. What number do you see, my friends? Number 8. I'm going to put the number 8 right here so I remember that that's the number I need to put in my 10 frame. Can you help me count to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ones. There are 8 ones in my 10 frame. Each block is 1, and there are 8 of them. Now, let's see what number comes next. I'm going to clear my board by taking my cubes off so that I can look at another number and put another group of ones on our board. What number, my friends? You're right. Number 6. I like number 6 because I can pretend to go down, roll over, and do a trick. Number 6. Let's put 6 1 blocks on our 10 frame. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know if the top row is full, we have 5 ones, and 1 more makes 6. There are 6 ones on our 10 frame. Let's take those down and let's find out what number comes next on our number cards. What number, friends? Number 10. You're right. Number 10. This is the number that we just learned a few weeks ago. Number 10. It has 2 numbers in it, a 1 and a 0. The 1 is in the tens place. The 0 is in the ones place. I'm going to show you why. Eyes looking. Let's put 10 blocks in our 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the way to show 10 with our 1 blocks. There are 10 ones. But this is the way we show 10 with our rods. This is called a rod. Can you say that? It's a rod. It's a rod and there are 10 blocks. Watch if I put these blocks in a long line, a long vertical line, I can have it look like this long rod that shows me 10 blocks. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 cubes in a row. And instead of having to use all the ones, I can take all those ones off, clear my board from the ones, and I can have just one rod that has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ones on my rod, but there's only 1 rod of blocks. 1, 10. Okay, so I have 1, 10, and over here, do we have any ones? No. So I have 1, 10, and 0 ones. 1, 10, and 0 ones is the number 10. Nice job, friends. I'm going to take down my 110 so we can look at the next number of our number cards. What number, friends? You're right, number 4. Let's put our number 4 near our board and get ready to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ones cubes. 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And And there's our number 4. Nice job, friends. There were 0 tens. No blocks and no rods and for number 10. For tens, only blocks in the ones column. Let's get another number. Ready? This is an easy one. Number 1. Just 1 cube. On our 10 frame, only 1. We have 1, 1. Isn't that cool? There's 1, 1 on our 10 frame and 0 tens. No tens. Let's get another number. Number 5. You're right. Let's count to 5 on our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to do that for number 5 to remind my brain that I have 5 fingers on this hand and 5 fingers on this hand. 5 and 5. Let's put up 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, when the top row of our 10 frame is full, we have 5 cubes or blocks. There are 5 cubes in our ones column, but there are 0 cubes in our tens column. 5 in our ones column and 0 in our tens column. Take down our blocks again so that we can get ready for our next number card. You're doing a great job looking, listening, and helping me count. There's number 2. You are correct. There's number 2. Let's put 2 ones on our 10 frame. 1, 2. There are 2 ones on our 10 frame. 1, 2. There are 0 tens. 2 ones, but 0 tens. Number 2. What number, friends? Nice job. Number 7. All right. I'm going to count and put 7 blocks or cubes on my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ones on my 10 frame. 7 ones. But there are 0 tens. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 more blocks to my 10 frame. And I want to match how many blocks there are to my number card. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 ones. There are 9 1 blocks in the ones column of my board. There are 9 blocks on our 10 frame. 9. All right, my friends, let's look one more time at making number 10. If I put up and fill the last square of the 10 frame, how many blocks do I have? Who remembers? You're right, my friends. I have 10 blocks. 10 ones. But our blocks are so wonderful that we can take those 10 ones away, because if we put them together, we get a rod of 10. If I take these away and I put them all together, stick them together, I can make a rod of 10. And then I have 1, 10 in the tens column, and 0 ones in the ones column. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me for math today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, and I hope you have a great Saturday and Sunday. That's called the weekend. 2 days to stay home. You don't have homework this weekend, but maybe today, Saturday or Sunday, you might want to go see Gigi on ST Math and play some math games with her for about 20 minutes so you can earn more points with Gigi. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on Monday, friends.